Each one of you targeted individuals preceding back to adolescence, or at some given point in time during your teenage years, when you discover an anomaly. Remember, you are spiritually immune. You discover an anomaly. Certain irregularities in nature. Some aspect of physical reality doesn't make sense. That's when. When. What you discover that coincidences was consistent. So what is coincidence? Coincidence is the Oxford Dictionary of Material Science define it as a correspondence in nature or occurrence in time. Another definition for coincidence is when there's a correlation between mutually exclusive events or scenario. But coincidence reoccur. Anything that reoccur, it has a pattern. If it reoccur, it has a pattern. If it has a pattern, it has a law. If it has a law, it can be replicated. So we have multiple coincidences in our life. So we establish when. What was it? So we have when. What was the coincidences? So we realize it wasn't really coincidence. It's consistent. Now, synchronicity adds a second layer. There's a correlation between mutually exclusive events or scenario, right? But the second layer is, if you look at all coincidences across the board targeted individuals, they share a single common denominator: mind and matter. Metaphysics is a metaphysical phenomenon, a branch of philosophy that studies the fundamental nature of reality. It examines the relationship between mind and matter, substance, and its attribute. So we establish when. We establish what. Now why? Why? Because of your biological predisposition to extrasensory perception. That's why you're chosen. Because your organic ability, there's a synthetic replicated version reciprocated back to you as the primary study. How fascinating is that? So we establish when, we establish what, we establish why. And how? And the reason you're here is to put things into perspective. I'm here to help you put things into perspective. Human beings are unconscious instruments in a much grander orchestra.